And today we're going to talk about how to find and detect urine, because we get a lot of questions online of how do we find urine spots. Now we have a couple different methods that we use here at Rendall's, but one of the methods we use is a black light. And we use a black light that's about 365 to 395 nanometers, which is the range you need for urine to show up under a black light. So on this rug here, obviously helps with lights off, but you can locate it and you can see here, let's see, here's a spot. So it's reflecting back at us, and that's the phosphorus from the urine spot that's actually causing that reflection to show up like that. And the yellow that comes from urine is the actual natural dye called urochrome. So with this black light, we're able to kind of go through your house and find anything that will show up, but not all urine spots will show up under a black light. It really depends on how old it is and how much exposure it's had to different bacteria and things of that nature. So yeah, we kind of go through the house, look for these. The other method we'll use is a moisture meter to try to detect moisture in the pad or in the carpet. But this is a good, easy way to go through the house, shine our black light through it, detect where any trouble spots are. That way we can pinpoint and focus our treatment on those spots.
Let's lift up the back corner here and see if we can see anything. What's interesting is some of these you can't really see without the black light, like that one. I mean, it's dark in here, so we'll give you that, but imagine it's a dark hallway. You don't really see anything until we've hit it with a black light, and then it shines. So, and that will still have an odor to it unless it's been neutralized. So you may be thinking, well, I don't see anything with my, with my eyes, but I smell it, and that's why. It's because it is still there.
So yeah, a couple ways that we here at Rendall's find and detect trouble urine spots.